Applications of the heat of combustion. We can calculate the heat of formation. We can calculate the heat of formation from heat of combustion. We can see one example. The standard enthalpy of formation of methane. We can calculate from the values of enthalpy of combustion for hydrogen, carbon and methane. Let us do the calculation. The values of enthalpy of combustion for hydrogen, carbon and methane is given as minus 285.8 and minus 393.5 and minus 890.4 kilojoule per mole. Again repeat, for hydrogen minus 285.8, for carbon minus 393.5 and for methane minus 890.4 kilojoule per mole. It is given. Then we go to the calculation. What is the formation? Carbon and hydrogen we are getting methane. The form of graphite we are taking carbon. So carbon and hydrogen we are getting methane. Then del HF naught, standard enthalpy of formation is equal to X. We are going to calculate. First we have to calculate the formation of water. H2 plus O2 we are getting H2O. So del H naught is equal to minus 285.8 kilojoule per mole. Then for graphite and oxygen, carbon dioxide, del H naught we are getting minus 393.5 kilojoule per mole. Why these two we are calculated formation of water and CO2? Because the combustion of methane, it gives the CO2 and 2H2O. So we calculated the formation of water and CO2. So del H naught for combustion of CH4 is minus 890.4 kilojoule per mole. Separately we calculate the del H naught, that is heat of formation for water molecule, carbon dioxide and water, that is combustion of methane. All together we calculated. Next we move to the substitution, that is the combustion of CO2 plus 2H2O, we are getting CH4 plus 2O2. The previous equation, the CH4 plus 2O2 in the reactant side, isn't it? But here there is a formation of methane and 2O2. CO2 and 2H2, it combined we are getting methane, isn't it? CO2 and 2H2O, it combined we are getting CH4 plus O2. But the previous reaction we saw the combustion of methane, we are getting CO2 plus 2H2O. So the del H naught value, it may be revised, isn't it? For this reaction we are getting del H naught is minus 890.4 kilojoule per mole. But at the same time, formation of methane, we reverse the sign, plus 890.4 kilojoule per mole, isn't it? We have to get the equation 1 from the remaining, isn't it? What is the equation 1? C plus 2H2 we are getting CH4. C plus 2H2 we are getting CH4. For that purpose, we are doing 2 into 2. 2 into 2. What is the 2 formation of water molecule? Why in this equation we have 2 water molecule. So into 2 plus 3. What is the 3? Formation of carbon dioxide. Formation of carbon dioxide. What is 5? Nothing but CO2 plus 2H2O. This is 5. So we can get 1 from 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is 2? Formation of water molecule. What is 3? Formation of carbon dioxide. What is 5? CO2 and 2H2O, it combined. There is a formation of methane. So what we get? the x equal to minus 285.8 into 2 plus minus 393.5 plus 890.4. All together, if we simplify everything, we are getting minus 74.7 kilojoule. Minus 74.7 kilojoule. Is it correct? Yes. The x value we calculated minus 74.4 kilojoule, isn't it? The amount of energy required for the formation of 1 mole of methane is minus 74.7 kilojoule. Then the heat of formation of methane is minus 74.7 kilojoule per mole. The amount of energy required for the formation of methane, that is minus 74.7 kilojoule. We calculated already. The same we can declare as the heat of formation of methane. The heat of formation of methane is minus 74.7 kilojoule per mole. The second application is calculation of calorific value of food and fuels. Calculation of calorific value of food and fuels. The calorific value is defined as the amount of heat produced in calories or joules. The amount of heat produced in calories or joules when 1 gram of the substance is completely burned. When the amount of heat produced in calories and joule when 1 gram of the substance is completely burned. Let us see once again what is calorific value. The amount of heat produced in calories or joule when 1 gram of the substance is completely burned. When 1 gram of the substance is completely burned, there is the amount of heat is produced, that is in calories or joule, that is named as the calorific value. The SI unit of calorific value is joule per kilogram. It is usually expressed in calorie per gram, not in joule per kilogram. Usually we are expressed in calorie per gram.